Well, the FDA is trying to take the world's best-selling cancer drug off the market. News 4 medical expert Dr. Peter Ostro has the latest on hearings to determine the fate of Avastin.
Hey, hey, FDA, don't take our Avastin away.
3.5 years ago, the drug Avastin received accelerated approval from the FDA because it appeared to improve progression-free survival in women who had advanced breast cancer. Some women did very well.
And over the course of the time, I've watched my cancer tumors disappear.
But the drug's manufacturer was obligated to carry out further tests, and those were not so successful. And many women had significant side effects like hypertension and blood clots.
But in a situation where it delays the growth of tumors in some women, but doesn't affect the survival overall, and you have a drug that does have some side effects, the calculus is not so clear-cut.
Now, the FDA is holding hearings to decide whether to withdraw the approval for Avastin in breast cancer. Many women are pleading for it to remain available.
Attesting to the fact that I am alive due to Avastin, I can only hope and pray that you continue to offer me that choice.
But her experience isn't really proof.
Avastin has been shown to be unsafe and ineffective for breast cancer patients. The FDA's decision on Avastin must be based on scientific evidence from well-done trials and cannot be based on any one individual story, no matter how compelling.
At the hearing, emotions ran high.
I am completely disgusted to have to follow somebody like that. She apparently has not listened to the many women who are standing here today and have benefited from Avastin.
That panel will make its recommendation tomorrow. If Avastin's approval is withdrawn, that'll just affect breast cancer. It'll still be approved for other cancers such as colon cancer and some brain tumors, because studies have consistently shown benefit against those particular tumors.
Yeah, you can see the passion there in these women, fear of taking this away. But it does seem amazing that it did so well in treatment, they accelerated it, and then it turned out not to be effective. How does that work?
Well, accelerated approval happens because the early results are very promising. But then the manufacturer is required to keep testing. And in this case, with more trials, more patients, the benefits weren't seen anymore.
But those women that you just saw, I mean, they feel that they were helped.
Well, maybe they were. Maybe there are some tumors it will work on and some that it won't. And they're going to keep testing to figure out who should get it and who won't be helped by it. And maybe that's how it will come back into use.
So the chapter still needs to be written on this. Okay, thanks so much, Doctor.